All right, welcome back. Let's answer your questions now. Joe, you can go first. Ken in North Carolina started a position in PayPal at 92. Add or hold?
Add right away. Add. Free cash flow is going to increase $1 billion each year over the coming 3 years. Stock has plenty of room to go up to its previous all-time high around 122. I would add.
Okay, Josh, from Joseph in Brooklyn, Disney isn't participating in the rally. Where does it go from here? Joe was talking about literally 5 minutes ago.
From New York?
Yeah, maybe this is you. How badly it's been trading.
You tweeting questions at me? You could just text me, bro.
Would you answer it?
No.
This is one of the stories of the market right now.
Maybe.
What's going on with Disney?
I don't know. I'm LOLing at all the Disney commentary. The stock broke out to 140. I want to say 143 last July. That was the high. That is now acting as resistance. It's bounced off that level twice. I understand it hasn't been going up with Google and Apple every day. You'll watch how quickly all the negative commentary turns into positive commentary as the stock price bounces and works its way back toward 150. Then all of a sudden, people will be excited about it again. I'm going to stick around. I'm not worried that it's not keeping up in the last 2 weeks. I think the stock long term is going to be a really big winner. Has so many levers to pull for as far as the eye can see. So I'm a long term investor.
So 143 support, not resistance.
Well, that's how it became support. Prior, it was resistance. So we've bounced off 143 twice. I'm not saying like that's the floor, it'll never go below. I'm just saying the stock's acting fine. It's just, it's not a FANG stock. Like, let it go.
Yeah. All right, Bryn, for you, from Chris in Montreal. What's your outlook on Cisco long term? Is the current downtrend anything to worry about? What do you think?
Yeah, I think so. I own Cisco. You know, Chuck Robbins is a great CEO. Definitely, they've been an underperformer in 2019 versus tech itself and as well as the hardware. You know, they're right in the middle of switching between hardware to their software subscription model. They are going through an upgrade cycle this year with both their switching and their routers. And so I do see there's opportunity. If you're doing it for a 5G play, though, I think you got to look into 2021 until that even becomes something meaningful. But I like the stock long term and have a great CEO, good balance sheet, good dividend.
Okay, Robbie, for you, from Mike in New York City. Thoughts on gold and silver, the GLD and the SLV, for a trade?
For a trade. Usually don't love it, but if you were to own it, now's the time to own it. Gold's
even with the run in gold.
Even with the run in gold. Gold is a hedge against unexpected inflation. I'd argue that's what we're seeing right now, or extreme outcomes. The possibilities of extreme outcomes are endless, and so having some gold in your portfolio, I think, makes sense. The upside absent that is minimal, but if you have some type of event, I think you're going to be glad you owned it.
Okay, Weiss, for you, sort of broader picture question from David Westman. I believe the ice we're walking on is getting thinner. When the pullback happens, where should I put new cash to work?
Into the quality names. So I would say Microsoft, I would say Alphabet, Apple, just the same names that are the market leaders here, because they will reemerge as leaders as well. And any sell-off is going to be a function of technical and shocks elsewhere, not in those names.
All right, good stuff. Thanks as always for the questions. Thank you all for the answers, too.